Myself Khushbu Kapoor. Welcome to my channel Exotic Chemistry, where the mission is not only 100% marks but also 100% knowledge. So friends, today I am going to tell you about class 10th periodic classification of elements, which are very important for your board exam. So I will try my best to make this concept very easy and understandable, and I think by after seeing my video you will clear your concepts of chemistry, which will help you in your board exam. So let's start. See, I am going to start with the periodic classification. Here I am going to tell you about Mendeleev and modern periodic table. Fine, Mendeleev and modern periodic table. Mendeleev is the father of chemistry basically, and his sixth sense was very developed. Means before the upcoming of the elements, he has predicted already. These were the elements which will be predicted, which will be discovered in future. But in his time, there were few drawbacks which Mendeleev has told us. Because of that reason, he has not won the Nobel Prize also. But let's see what he has said. Mendeleev, periodic law. Fine. What he has said is physical and chemical properties are the periodic function of their atomic mass. Okay, the physical and the chemical properties are the periodic function of the atomic mass. Means the elements are arranged in the periodic table in order of the increasing atomic mass. Means the element which will have the atomic mass 1 will be having the first position in the periodic table, which will have the atomic mass 2, and so on, will occupy the further position. But there were the drawback came out in the Mendeleev periodic table. But before that, I will tell you few more things. That Mendeleev has told us the properties, means the two important points about the groups and the period. Fine. What is group and what is period? This I will let you know with the help of a periodic table. I will let you know how to learn the periodic table in a very easy way in my next video. Fine. But this time I am going to tell you how to how many groups, how many periods are there in the periodic table. So in order to identify this Mendeleev has told us about the groups and the period, but where he has said that there are 18 groups in the periodic table and there are 7 periods. The groups are normally arranged in a normally vertical direction, means top to bottom, means the elements are arranged in order of the increasing atomic mass, and the periods will move from left to right. So how to find the group, how to find the period, this I will explain you later on. But before that, let us understand the Mendeleev periodic table. What he has said is the physical and the chemical properties are the periodic function of the atomic mass. Means the element which is having the atomic mass 1 will occupy the position 1. But now comes the drawback that if the element like this will have that will be arranged in order of the increasing atomic mass, then what about the hydrogen? We all are aware about the isotope. This is protium, this is deuterium, and this is tritium. Okay, means they are having the atomic number same, but they are having the different atomic mass. Means if they are having different atomic mass, this means that they should have the occupy 3 different positions in the periodic table. But this was not explained properly according to Mendeleev. So it became the major drawback of Mendeleev. And furthermore, when we are arranging the elements now, so there were elements in the 27 and 28, that is cobalt and nickel. There are 2 elements, that is cobalt and nickel, where the atomic mass of cobalt is more than nickel. But if the atomic mass of cobalt is more than nickel, then it should have occupied the next position. But cobalt has occupied the previous position than the nickel. So here the theory of Mendeleev failed. This was a drawback basically, not failed, but yes, it has suffered a major drawback. What had happened after that? In 1908, Henry Moseley came. Okay, in 1908, Henry Moseley came and he has said that the physical and the chemical properties are periodic function of atomic number. Means everything was same, physical and chemical property and the of atomic number, but in spite of having the atomic mass, he has done that atomic mass ki jagah par what he has added? He has added atomic number. Means the number of protons or the electrons which are present in the atom, that basically defines the atomic number. So Henry Moseley in 1908 suggested that physical and the chemical properties are the periodic function of the atomic number, and his theory came out to be fruitful. How? Let's see. If we follow that Moseley periodic table, normally see hydrogen 1 all are having the atomic number 1. Isotope is, this is the isotope of hydrogen, all are having the atomic number 1. This means that they will occupy only one position in the periodic table. We don't have to place these hydrogen in 3 different positions. So the modern periodic table that basically defines that physical and the chemical properties are the periodic function of atomic number comes out to be fruitful. Fine. So this is the basic difference between the Mendeleev and the modern periodic table, where Mendeleev has said that the physical and the chemical properties are the periodic function of the atomic mass, and modern Henry Moseley has said that the physical and the chemical properties are the periodic function of the atomic number. So friends, in my next video I will let you know how to learn the periodic table in a very quick manner. I'm telling you, I assure you that within 5 to 6 minutes you will learn the whole periodic table, which is basically required for your board exam. So friends, please like and subscribe my channel Exotic Chemistry, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will not miss my next video. Do wait for the next video. Thank you.